check.
The ceiling, and so that's where Art went. He entered Carol Doda's dressing room through the regular door, then he crawled into that tunnel so he could look down at the...
Seriously? Thanks for that.
Where were you going? Are you going down the motorway? Because you're in the completely wrong lane, you dickhead.
Yeah.
Calling live CFR desk.
Because we have thousands of brand new cars ready to roll.
What are you doing?
Brand new cars
No!
at Auto Trader.
Amazon now brings you the Champions League. Whoa,
Shit me. Green light. Go. Go, there's a gap. Why don't you go? Go, there's a gap. Oh. Damn it. Go, after the silver. There's a gap. Honestly. You're practically on the roundabout. Your whole car's out of the junction now. Everyone's having to go around you. Awesome. And now you're having to reverse.
Yeah, he was being a spat, you could see it.
Oh, fire in the exhaust.
I don't think I'd have looked at that zombie and been like, yeah, it's Cillian Murphy.
Well, no, Cillian Murphy wasn't doing that. So what are you doing? What the fuck are you doing?
Been drinking. Trying to act in canoe time.
One of those different directors going to do a different... What the fuck? What are you doing?
Driving like a dick. Ah. Yeah.
Is that her? Is that the same car?
Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is.
number plate, eyes on the dashboard.
Now here we have a split screen Morris Minor convertible, and of course everybody knows this is a Jag XK150, and another early Minor, again with a split screen, and a slightly later convertible. Now here we have another little Austin 7 and a 6-cylinder Vauxhall that is still quite clearly a work in progress. Here we have a 1926 Austin 7, the ubiquitous Volvo estate. Looks like a brick, drives like one, but by crikey, if you had to be in a crash, that's the car you want to be in. You can see on top of the canopy there the extender. Of course, once you are in position, it's no good out of habit of doing it in the hundreds of. This is extremely useful when there's a traffic warden about to give you a ticket. You know, just a hook round the belt and up she comes. And for all you Land Rover aficionados, here's a whole little parade of them. Series 1s, Series 2s, Series 3s and so forth.